Hi! So today we are doing quadratic equations and application using motion problems. We will start off with the 5-step process that will later be discussed. RESCA, aka representation, equation, solution, checking, and lastly appropriate label. So an aeroplane travels 2,240 miles in 14 hours with the wind. Against the wind, it takes 16 hours for the plane to travel the same distance. Find the speed or rate of the plane and the wind speed. So here, let x be the speed of the airplane and y be the speed of the wind for our representation. The distance for both is the same, 2,240 miles. Our unknown in the table is the rate, which is represented as x plus y for with and x minus y for against, and the time, which is 14 hours and 16 hours. To find our equation, we can use the DRT triangle for a technique to find distance, rate, and time. We are looking for x and y in this equation to find the rate. We multiply rate and time since distance is constant. The equation then will be 14 multiplied to x plus y equals to 2,240 for with the wind and 16 multiplied to x minus y for against. We'll head off to our solution by choosing between finding x or y in either the first equation or second equation. Both will lead you to the same answer. Here I will choose the first equation, which is against the wind, and find y. We first divide the equation by 16 to remove 16 to have a simpler equation. We transpose either x or y, then if it's negative, we divide by negative 1. We will get y equals to x minus 140. Next, we plug in the equation. We can again choose between the first or second equation. I will choose the second equation, which is with the wind, to plug in the y value. Again, divide both sides by 14 to remove it, and add x and x minus 140. We will get 2x minus 140 equals to 160. Transpose and divide both sides by 2. We will get x equals to 150. We now have found our x. Now we find our y. We again choose between the first or second equation. I chose the second equation and do the same process as the previous equation. Y equals to 10. We found our x and y, so now we can do the checking. Plug in the x and y values, multiply, and it should be equivalent to 2,240 for both. And it is! Finally, write the answer with the appropriate label. So the speed of the airplane with the wind, or still air, is 150 miles per hour, while the speed of the wind is 10 miles per hour. Thank you for watching!